What's up, guys? I really never did a follow-up, and we had some rain, so here's what it looks like after the rain. I made him a little sediment pond. That way the dirt can settle out before it goes down the pipe. And we built a little wall with some sackcrete. So essentially the water has to get high enough to get over the sackcrete, and it will leave the sediment behind. And only water will go through the pipe. And right about here, where these cones are, is where we stopped digging. It looks a lot better than it did. He needs a little more rock, but we couldn't get any delivered in time. While the machine was here, at least. And there it is, all put back together. Catch you guys later.